I mean, there's a pilot right there. We could stop at the pilot and just fuel up at this place in the morning, I guess. So we can get off of this road. This guy probably ain't getting these generators at 9 o'clock in the morning. Mason City. Yeah, I guess we'll just go ahead and stop it. There's no point in pushing it.
It's pretty fucking bad.
There's no point in pushing this. We stopped a lot earlier than we hoped we would. But as you can see, it's terrible out. So we're very limited on our parking. It doesn't look like there's any parking spots left. So I'm gonna be that guy that parks next to the scale. And there's really nothing I can do about it, to be completely honest. This is the gas cap that I left off. That's why it's got a streak like that. The scale's kind of messed up because when you get off this scale here, you got to make this really sharp left-hand turn, and that truck parking right there doesn't really help anything. Woo! But I want to get a shower, and I don't know if this is grass over here or if you can park over here. What this is? That is dirt. So I think we're going to shut it down right here. I don't think. I mean, we obviously can't push on down the road. You don't want to park on an on-ramp or an off-ramp at this time because the snow plows will push you in. Hey, girls, this will be Mackie's first time seeing some real snow, huh? We'll have to video that for everybody. All right. Well, I need to log off duty. All right, guys, we'll get back to you. Oh my God, it wasn't recording? No. We gotta do that all over again. Here. Come look at her, get the stick. Yeah, you get them sticks. Gee, that's a big stick.
Get him, Mackies.
She like digging up the dirt. Look at her.
I think she's eating the snow, dude.
Come on.
Oh! Get her, fat butts. Ow! Fat butts.
I know, it's so fun with the leash on. I don't know if they have a dog park here or not.
I don't think they can be out in this very long.
Yeah.
Because they're paws.
Cold? You guys ready to go in the truck? Yeah, she's like biting this thing.
Yeah, she's eating it.
Ow, that's my glove. Ow, that's my finger.
Fucking
That's my hand.
jerk. Go, fat butts. Oh. Ow, ow,
What's
ow.
in this tree, yo?
Lots of pee on it.
Trying to eat something. Oh, there's a little bridge right here.
Hey. That must be for that yard. Or something.
What do you think of this, Maggie?
Hey. Where you going, fat butts? Hey. Jerk. You okay, fat butt? No, you can't eat it.
I probably shouldn't be out in this very long.
Yeah.
Let's go get in the truck, guys.
Come on.
Let's not need to be getting sick. Sicker. Ooh, it's cold, huh?
She's trying to get the camera. Aww. So pretty. She's like, oh, now I don't know. All right, let's go inside. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Not over the scale, though.
We don't need to take them over the scale. There's like a gap. I don't
Yeah.
want your feet falling.
I know. Gotta take him around. Hey, hey, don't chew on fat butts. Fat butts will get you.
Hey, Mackie, come. Come. What are you gonna do in like 12 inches or something? We're fine. Come on. Come on.
She's like, I gotta get some real quick. Let me get some
Like-
snow.
She like viciously. Here, we get that. She's ready. She's like.
Yeah, she's like, I am all set with the snow. Thank you. Your turn, Mackies. No, you don't do it right.
We're working with feet though. And they've completely blocked the scale. And now we're blocked in by a car. So you got the trucks parked on the scale over there, or next to the scale, I mean. And you got this truck parked right here. I mean, I guess nobody would actually be scaling their truck.
Probably not.
These are all probably like emergency. I gotta shut down, the roads are too bad.
Probably got really bad last. There's a car next to us.
Yeah, there's a car with a car on a U-Haul. I am feeling rough. I definitely have the flu. I can still taste and smell, so I know it's not the China virus. Yeah, spray that stuff all over the windshield. It's not actually touching the windshield. Oh, I don't know how to tell if the roads are going to be clear enough. I mean, there's trucks leaving. I don't know. We're going to get up, get moving around, see if we can hit the road. Oh, we still have to stop at that place to get fuel. Oh no, he was coming this way. Yeah, he spun out coming this way.
Yeah.
And did he pass us?
I don't think so. maybe like further along.
Look, he's jackknifed into the field facing this way. I mean, he's broke from that trailer. You can't be twisted that much and not be broke from the trailer. That sucks, man.
Maybe that happened last night.
Oh man, yeah. So either the car cut in front of the truck and the truck swerved, or the truck cut off the car. We need to get around this thing before they start trying to pull it out.
I mean, the car might have been close when it happened.
Maybe.
Just because you got a truck don't mean shit.
They definitely got more snow here than we did. Did I mention we were dropping these at a house? This belt is life-saving. It has helped so much. Sucks. Sometimes I forget to put it on though when we do something, and then I can feel it hurting again. I probably need my hoodie and my jacket. You think?
I don't know. Maybe just try your jacket.
Alright, let me see where we can set you guys up and where we need to pull. And we'll get this unloaded. Guess we're waiting until I got here to plow his driveway.
I don't know why.
Yeah, why? We're like 2 hours late. Hey, Mackie girl. Oh, my thing's all fogged up. Hold on.
And I called him.
Hi. How you doing, sweetie? Yeah, why would you wait? Oh, if he thinks I'm backing in there, I'm not.
There's no way to back in there.
Yeah, there's no way. He's gonna have to unload me from the side. I can go ahead and pull up here. He's gonna go grab his forks. Let's see. Hey, Mackies. What are you doing, you weirdo? These are gloves. Let's see. The top deck. He's gonna have to grab the top deck. I'm not sure how he's gonna want to do that. Maybe I'll pull up for the top deck first, because I think they loaded it from that side.
They loaded it from both sides.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, they loaded all of this from both sides. Oh, wait down there.
All right. So I guess I can throw my hazards on. The plan is he wants to unload this other side and then have me go down and turn around down here and then come back this way. The problem with that is we'll have to take the straps off and then put the straps on for the single ones, because I don't want them tipping over as I go down there to turn around. But I need to untarp this and get all this undone for him and ready. I don't know if I can set you guys up for this. We might just have to imagine what it was like. This one has showers?
It said it had showers. Yeah, it says 3 showers.
Okay. Scales. I guess there's parking back down through here.
I mean, I guess it looks like it. Kind of. These are parking space.
And there's trucks completely snowed in. I'm gonna pull it right here. Well, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but it's locked. Mason found us a load from what's the name of this place? Oh, did you fall down?
There's no room over there.
Damn, I should have had the camera ready for that.
I didn't fall down, but there's...
Oh, well, go act like you fell down. We'll just put it in there like that.
Yeah.
Ooh, I almost fell. There's the slick spot right there.
Karma.
It is karma. You're right. You're absolutely right. What's this place called?
Eau Claire?
Eau Claire?
Eau Claire? I don't know.
Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Mason's got us a load from Eau Claire, Wisconsin to somewhere in Virginia. I think we're picking up 40,000 pounds of some type of special sand or something, ain't it?
Yeah.
So it's supposed to be a first come, first serve. They got a Menards across the street over there, so if I get to feeling better, I would like to walk over there. I like Menards. Can't remember if that's the Walmart one. There's a Myers and there's a Menards. I can't remember which one does what.
I think that's the one that sells like...
Lumber? I mean, that's cool. I mean, I like both of them.
We could take the dogs in there and walk.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, why not? All right. So we're gonna run over here. They got showers here. That's why we picked this place. And we're 13 minutes from our pickup. And it's, like I said, first come, first serve. So we want to get there as quickly as possible. Looks like we got a McDonald's way over there. Woo, it's cold and windy. Let me shut this camera off because you guys probably can't hear me. Come on, Max. Mackie, come on. Come on. Hey, Mackie. Come on, baby. Come on.
Come on, it's okay. Come on, butts. Come on, butts.
Mackie,
Come on. Look at
I don't like you here.
Come on. It's okay. Look, Mackie.
babies. There you go. Yeah.
It's okay, Fat Butts. Come here. Come on, Noodles. Come on, Fat Butts.
Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Mush. 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 She's so funny, man. Fat Butts is like, no, I'm not doing it.
I mean, she was wrong. I don't want to slip, man. This shit is slick as...
Ready? You ready? You ready? You get that thing. You get that thing. Ah, yeah. You get it. Oh, you dropped it. You get it. Get it, Mackie. Get it. Oh, yeah. You tear that snowball up. Get it. Yeah. Here, Mackie, get this one. You get that one. That's my hand. That's my hand. You get this one. Get it. Get it right there. No, right here. Right there. Right here. Get it. Oh, get it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.